Today I'm showing you how I achieve this radiant, soft, feminine look, perfect for everyday or a cute date. Hi everyone, I'm Anzeei and welcome back to my channel. We do makeup, skincare and all things pretty. So if that's your vibe, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I already prepped my skin off camera because a good base means your makeup applies flawlessly. For my radiant base, I'm starting with e.l.f. Hello Glow Liquid Filter. Next, I use concealer to spot conceal my acne mark. I just tap it on the spots. Then I brighten the center of my face to bring the light back to those areas. Then this keeps the face look fresh and awake. Now for my favorite part, blush. I'm using the Rare Beauty liquid blush in the shade Happy. This gives such a natural, from within flush. To lock everything in, I use a press powder and gently press onto my T-zone and under the eyes. This keeps the shine under control. Moving on to the brows, mine are naturally thick and black, so I don't do much. I just brush them up in place and set them with a clear gel to keep them neat. For nose contour, I use my Hoola bronzer and start at the inner corners of my brows, blending down the sides of the nose and around the tip to create a soft button nose effect. Take your time with this step because blending is the key here. For eyes, I apply a soft pink shadow to the outer corner of my lids and lightly blend it towards the center for the diffuse look. Then I mix yellow and white to get a soft shade and I apply it to the center of my lids to brighten them up. On the lower lash line, I mirror the same shades, pink on the outer and yellow in the center, and even bring a touch of pink to the inner corner for a dreamy effect. Next, I create a sharp, long wing with my liner. I also define the lower lash line and inner corners to elongate my eyes. For a cute touch, I follow my natural eye bag to draw a subtle aegyo-sal. Then I highlight it with a light shadow. It really makes my eyes pop without looking overdone. Then I curl my lashes and apply the falsies off camera. I apply the mascara on the bottom lashes to open the eyes beautifully. After that, I layer a powder blush over the liquid blush I applied earlier, blending the edges with a soft pink for a seamless gradient. Now for some glow, I take a shimmery shadow and highlight the bridge and tip of my nose and also the inner corners of my eyes to cast the light. First, I line my lips to define the shape. Then I use the Peri Pera Ink Velvet as my base layer. It feels so smooth and velvety on the lips. To finish, I borrow my mom's lipstick and tap it just on the center of my lips for that soft radiant effect. And here we are, the final look. Soft, radiant and pretty, just how I like it. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave me a comment below telling me your favorite step. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. Remember, you're always beautiful. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.